Alright guys, so let's add some color to this logo, and you know how to add material. It's the same deal. It's just a review. Hit the new button for under material, and then I'm going to go ahead hit my color wheel right here, and this is where I'm going to try to match that orange. Okay, now if you really wanted to match it correctly, you would just open the logo, but I don't have the time to do it, but I would open the actual logo file in Photoshop and then find out what are those RGB values. So if your client says, I mean, they're going to be particular about their logo colors and you got to match them, open up in Photoshop, find out what the RGB values are, and then you can match it there. And then I'm going to right click on that, hit a new material here, and then I'm going to try to match that kind of a blue greenish kind of. I'm just trying to go by memory. I guess it's like a blue. That's a little strong, but we'll go with that. Hit that. Click. So that is there. If I go to edit, let's make sure assign. Go back to object mode. I can hit the tab key. Hit assign. There we go. And then I'm going to hit tab, object, hit my A key. All right. Go back to edit. Okay. Go back to object. Okay, and so I'm going to make my new, and I guess I could just make this black. I guess I could just bring this back down and it could be black. Okay, so I'm okay with that. Hit assign. All right, so now if I move my logo sideways, I have my logo with its material, and I then would want to do proper lighting. That's next.